Hello students, this is Nishi Mishra, your social studies teacher at Mount Literacy School, Jhansi. Students, as you all know that we have started our live classes. Many of the students are joining the live classes, but some students are still have not joined them. I request the students to please contact the teachers or the school if in case you are having any issue in joining the live class. So in today's live class, children, we discussed about the dual system of government and the setting up of a new administration in India. So children, as I told you in my previous videos also about the dual system of government, that it was introduced by Robert Clive in 1772 in Bengal, and under this system the British East India Company is having all the powers in their hands but no responsibilities, whereas the Nawab or the ruler has been burdened with the responsibilities without having any resources. This means that जो रूलर है उसके पास में सारी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है टू रन द एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन, टू लुक आफ्टर द पीपल रिसाइडिंग इन हिज टेरिटरी, whereas he is not able to take any decision on his own. He is not having any money in his hand. So as अगर ऐसा होगा कि अगर आपके पास रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है सब कुछ रन करने की लेकिन रिसोर्सेज नहीं है, सो व्हाट विल हैपन, द इकोनॉमी विल हैम्पर एंड द पीपल हु आर रिसाइडिंग, जो सबसे ज़्यादा अफेक्ट होंगे इस चीज़ से, दीज विल बी द पीपल हु आर रिसाइडिंग इन दैट पर्टिकुलर टेरिटरी. So as a result of this dual system of government, the economy of Bengal hampered and it destroyed actually. And then in 1772 only, the court of directors of East India Company, they decided to make a new post in the company which was known as the Governor General, and the Governor General would be the highest authority in the company. Now the Governor General the one who will be the Governor General will be responsible for all the territories of Britishers in India, and he is free to take any decision on his own. So the first Governor General was Warren Hastings. So if anyone asks you that who was the first Governor General of India, the answer would be Warren Hastings. So by the Regulating Act of 1773, Warren Hastings was made the Governor General of India, and the headquarter of the company was made as Calcutta. He remained in power till 1785. He was appointed in 1773 and he remained in power till 1785. So Warren Hastings ने क्या करा? He brought Bengal under his direct control, यानी कि उसने dual system of government ख़त्म कर दिया and he brought Bengal under his direct control. जब direct control में आ गया, dual system of government ख़त्म हो गया, so the Nawab of Bengal was deposed from his position and the pension was also stopped. So this was the dual system of government. Now the new administration system was set up. See the children that whatever administration system we have seen till now these days in our country, उसका जो base है that was established by the Britishers only. From 1772 they started establishing a new administration system, जहाँ पर each state would be having a criminal court and a civil court separately. यानी criminal cases के लिए अलग court होगा और civil cases के लिए अलग court होगा, जो आज भी है. The new Supreme Court was also established in 1773. जो आज भी है, we are having one Supreme Court in the entire country, whereas we are having different courts for different cases. Then the European collectors were there to judge the cases which were coming into the civil courts. लेकिन जो क्रिमिनल कोर्ट्स थे उसका डिसीजन वॉज remained in the hands of the qazis and muftis. Now qazi is the one who is a Muslim preacher. तो काजी जो है मुस्लिम प्रीचर था, और जो मुफ्तीज़ होते हैं, मतलब जो बेसिकली क्या हुआ, जो क्रिमिनल जस्टिस का जो काम रहा वो सिर्फ किसके हाथों में रहा, जो मुस्लिम जो प्रीचर्स थे, जो रिलीजियस प्रीचर्स थे, जिनको रिलीजन के बारे में ज़्यादा जानकारी थी. द डिसीजन मेकिंग वॉज रिमेन इन द हैंड्स ऑफ दोज पीपल ओनली, बिकॉज पहले के ज़माने में सब कुछ जो है रिलीजन के बेसिस पे डिसीजन लिया जाता था कि इस बुक में ऐसा लिखा हुआ है, इसके अकॉर्डिंग ये चीज़ सही है या गलत है. Then the collector was made responsible for their particular district. आज भी हमारे पास कलेक्टर हैं, जो डीएम है वो कलेक्टर ही होता है. तो उसका बेस भी कहाँ से पड़ा, ये दिस was introduced by the Britishers only. तो कलेक्टर was made responsible for their particular district and he was to be helped with the judges, the police officers and the darogas. The company also appointed some of the resident officers. Resident officers मतलब कुछ ऐसे officers जो इंडिया में ही रहेंगे, and so that if in case company requires any help, they could help the company there and then. So this was the new administration system that was set up when Warren Hastings was the Governor General of India. Thank you so much children for today. In the next video we are going to start study bite 2. Your homework is to read study bite 2 of chapter number 2 of history from trade to territory. Thank you so much.